Hey guys, welcome back to channel. How to connect Shopify store to Facebook and Instagram shop in 2025. So make sure you will have logged in and you will just get a plan for 3 months, and we will move in the left side. As you can see, there is an option of add. So just tap on this plus icon and we will just a little bit scroll down, and in the last you will see the Shopify app store. So we will just tap on it and it will be just move in the next window. So after right over here, we will just write Facebook in the search bar and Instagram by Meta. So just tap for search and make sure you just have to download this one. So after installation, you will be able to connect your store with Facebook and Instagram shop easily. You will just have to give them a username and access for allow, and it will be just connected. So in this way, you'll just have to connect. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching.